Today, we're diving into the clear plastic seed starter tray kit, a comprehensive set perfect for anyone looking to kickstart their gardening journey. This kit includes 10 transparent seed starter trays, each equipped with 12 individual cells for seedlings. What I love most about these trays is their clear design, which allows you to closely monitor the growth of your plants without disturbing them. The trays are made from reusable plastic, making them not only durable, but also environmentally friendly. Each tray comes with adjustable air vents on the covers, ensuring proper ventilation and humidity control, crucial for healthy seedling development. Additionally, the trays feature drainage holes at the bottom, preventing waterlogging and root rot. Transplanting seedlings is a breeze with these trays, thanks to their convenient size and design. They measure 7 by 5.51 by 2.36 inches, with a cover height of 2.17 inches, providing ample space for root growth before transplanting. The kit also includes 10 plant labels for easy organization and 2 gardening tools to assist you in the planting process. That I found these trays versatile for various plants, from delicate flowers to robust vegetables. Whether you're starting seeds indoors for a garden or a greenhouse, these trays are portable enough to be placed anywhere from your kitchen counter to your balcony or garden shed. Overall, the clear plastic seed starter tray kit impressed me with its thoughtful design and practical features. It's an essential tool for any gardening enthusiast looking to nurture healthy seedlings with ease. If you're considering starting your seeds at home, this kit offers everything you need to get started on the right foot.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.